What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be unboxing my new suit, my new Red Ranger suit that I bought from AliExpress, and I think it was only like 80 bucks or 90 bucks. I don't really remember, but yeah, I was like, the price is not too bad, so I'll give it a try. All right, let's do this. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let me try to focus it right there. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Oh, there you go. Okay, so far so good. The material feels good. Okay. Let me try this. There we go. And now I'm just gonna try to put this on for you guys right now. Alright guys, it's morphin time! Yeah! So this is what the suit looks like. So far so good. And I'm loving it. And it's actually tighter than I thought it would be. And I got my helmet right here. And right now I'm gonna just show you the back. I don't know if you could see it. And then I'm gonna just put on my helmet right now and show you what it looks like. Okay. Put my gloves on and my cuffs. And I like to wear a beanie before wearing my helmet, so I'm gonna do that right now. Okay guys, so I just took off the suit, and so far I'm loving the suit. Great pattern, great material, great everything. My only concern is the wrist area. For some reason it's a little bit too tight, but that's okay, it's no big deal. I still love the suit. And guys, let me know down below, do you guys prefer this new suit or the original, which I actually have right here, made by J-Toku Costume. Yeah. So yeah, the original or the new suit. Me personally, if I were to cosplay only one of these suits, I would go with the original. Only because it's the original, and you know, the original is always the best. So yeah. But what about you guys? Let me know down below. Do you guys prefer the new suit or the original? Okay guys, I'm here outside. I have the suit on already. And what I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm gonna do a few kicks just to see the flexibility of the suit. And yeah, here I go. It is pretty flexible. Personally, I really like it. But that's it, guys. That's the end of the review. If you liked it, please go ahead and leave a like, subscribe if you want, and I'm gonna tell you right now, these are definitely worth the price. I paid like $80 Canadian for this, and I don't know how much that is in American dollars, but definitely worth the price. But yeah, guys, I just want to say thank you to every single one of you that are watching, and subscribe if you want to see more. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.